Welcome to the third video tutorial on the Kentha Music WordPress theme. In this tutorial, you will see how to create a music album, also called releases in the music industry. A release is made by a title, some details, purchase links, and a track list. To create a new album, go in Album Releases, Add New. Title, and any content you want. You will then need to add a cover, tracks, and buy links. To add your cover, you can add a featured images. So set featured image, and here you can drag and drop the cover. The suggested size is more or less 600 by 600 pixels. Everything above this size is fine. We recommend using pictures below 250 KB. Then you see that underneath the main editor you have some special fields. If you are not seeing them, be sure to have them enabled in the screen options. In release details, you can choose a main artist. To choose a main artist, you first need to choose to have created the artist before. This allows you to associate the entire release to one single artist. Anyway, for each track, you will be able to specify an unlimited number of artists. Label, a release date, and optionally a catalog number. Then it comes to adding tracks. This theme has two ways for adding tracks. The first way is very simple. You just need to drag and drop your MP3 files in the content. Be sure to add your tracks at the top of the content, so we can choose our MP3 files, drop them here, create an audio playlist, and insert the playlist in the page. In this way, we will create a playlist where author and title are automatically created by reading the ID3 tags of your MP3 files. You can edit the ID3 tags by using a software such as iTunes or similar. Please notice that creating a track in this track list in this way have some limitation. For example, you are not going to be able to manually edit the track title and artist, and you are not going to be able to specify a specific buy link and an icon for this track. So if you want more advanced option, you cannot create a playlist in this way, but you will need to add your tracks using the old school method. So you can choose the file, and you will see that it will automatically read the title, and if ID3 tags are present, it will compile artist and title. In this example, this MP3 file doesn't have an artist specified, so we manually have to create it. If you want to link an artist to a release or a track, what you can do is write the name of the artist exactly how you read it in the artist page. So if we choose this name and we put it here, this album will have a track automatically linked to this artist, and the album will automatically appear in the single artist page. If you want, you can specify a single buy link, such as Beatport, iTunes, or any other link to this field. If you want the track to be downloadable, you have to link to MP3 or zip files in this field and then choose an icon. To add more tracks, you can use the plus icon here. Once your tracks are in place, you can move them by using the drag and drop icon. So let's add another track. Another by link. This is an example link. And then we publish. You can see the album that we created. You can then play the tracks and you will see when you directly access an album that will be automatically loaded in your player. This is the icon we choose, and this allows to add the album to the playlist. So if we come from another page and we just want to put the tracks in queue for later listening, with this button they will be added and the player will show us. Now we added a second time the same album. Then we are able to add some by links using this field and add your custom links here. Once we update, you will notice a buy button appearing. This will show us all the purchase options we have. The same will appear in the right column. This duplicated buy button place is very useful to increase your sales opportunities, especially in mobile mode, because this will appear underneath the content when viewing the website from your mobile phone. Once this is done, you can add a music style to your album. You can choose among any existing one or create your own. If you add music styles to your album, this will automatically create an archive page which can be later then be added to your main menu or anywhere else. The last thing are the page settings. These settings are common among any custom post type and pages plus posts. This allows to customize how you see this particular page. So you can choose to use the default settings used in the customizer or specify a custom video or picture background. You can even hide the background at all for this page. If we choose select one, nothing will change. But we can override the default customizer option by using show or hide background. You can choose a special picture or even a video. This is the video ID from a YouTube video, and this is a starting queue in seconds. The latest option allows you to override the default customizer and choose if you want the background to fade out on scroll or not. Now we choose yes. Let's update and see the result. As you can see, the video will fade in, and when we scroll, it will slowly disappear. For a more tidy visualization, if you want the video to stay still while scrolling, you can choose No in the Fade Out option. We see that now the video will not fade out when we scroll. What is very important to notice about all the custom fields in this website is that all the fields which are not featured image, content or title requires to update in order to see the result in the front end. If you just click Preview, all the custom fields like tracks, background and release details will not be updated. Now that our release is ready, we can go to the next step of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.